guys, what's up? Tia Mowry here. I am so excited, you guys, because I have a special guest, and this is actually her first time being on Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. This is Kim Kimball. She is the hairstylist to the gods, okay? She's worked with many celebrities, and I've known you ever since I was a little girl. So I'm really excited that you're here. And today, you're gonna show us how to do a festive hairstyle for any special occasion, right? Yay!
All right, so shall I?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, so first off, I just want to start, to create this look. It's great for so many occasions,
Yeah.
but sometimes you want to just get spruced up a little special, and so that's what this is for. This style, I call it simple, but yet it still has a little zhuzh to it.
Okay.
All right, so the first thing you want to do, because you have beautiful curly hair.
Thank you.
You want to condition it, wash it, blow dry it, and then you want to just take an iron and just smooth it out, get it as straight as you can.
You know, I've actually used this iron, Kim. This is your...
Yes, this is my silk vapor iron. First of all, I create products and tools, and it's inspired by you guys. Because all my clients, they're always concerned about health, but they also want to have great style as well.
You guys, when she says concerned about, like healthy hair, I always tell you guys that story about when I had to do the chop. What do they call it, Kim?
The big chop?
The big chop, because, I have curly hair, and all of these years working in the business, I had damaged my hair, and the person that I had gone to help me bring my hair back to health was Kim.
Oh my God.
Kim, do you want to tell them the story?
Well, you started, then I'll come.
Okay.
I'll come in at my favorite part.
Okay. My hair was very damaged, you guys. I'm talking about just breakage after breakage after breakage. I even had a lot of thinning on my edges just from using a lot of heat. I was about to shoot this movie, and I went to Kim and I was like, what do I do? And she was like, you know what, Tia? I think what we can do is, actually said you have no choice. This is the only option.
Basically, it was no choice.
Yeah, is to start wearing wigs. And let me tell you, I cried. I was like, I don't want to wear
And cried.
Because for me, I, thought wigs were just for,
But
older.
wigs are so much better now.
They
right?
are, but whenever I thought of a wig, I thought of an old, like an older lady, wearing a wig that just didn't look that didn't look natural or didn't look real. I was like, oh my gosh, am I gonna have to, do that? And you were
I assured you.
Yes.
So this is what happened. So it was like pulling teeth. That was like, because we didn't, like you said, we didn't have a choice. There was so much damage.
Yeah.
And I said, Tia, this is going to be great.
Yeah.
What they call now protective style.
Yes, protective
So
styles.
they call it a protective style now, but back then that hadn't come out yet.
Yeah.
So I said there was a great way for her to grow her hair back and give it a rest and wear the wig.
Yeah.
Well, she was like, no, practically almost in tears. I didn't know what else to do. So I said, Tia, a lot of my celebrity clients are wearing wigs. And then Tia was like, oh, okay.
And girl,
she didn't look back.
and this is all my hair. This is
that.
crazy how this is all my hair. Okay, tell us what we're doing, Kim.
Okay, so right now I am using a product from our line, Kim Kimball. It's called baby hair.
Oh, nice.
Because you know how popular baby hair is
Yeah.
right now. But it's an edge control. And so I use it for a couple of things. I'm using it to not only to control the edges, because that's my pet peeve.
Yeah.
Edges, baby hair, all that is my pet peeve. But it also helps to control the flyaways and lay the hair down.
Okay.
So I'll use a little bit of spray, but I don't have to use a lot because the product really controls those flyaways and it really smooths that hair and gives it more of a polished look.
Okay, so you're using just like a regular brush for the baby hairs?
It's called a baby hair brush.
Oh, okay.
It's like a little baby brush. It's a little stronger teeth, but it's very good for sculpting and really getting that product in there because you want to smooth it in.
Okay.
So you don't have like a glop of product on your hair.
Yeah.
You need to smooth it out, and the brush is really great with that, but it also helps with the shape.
Okay.
Now that I've gotten her down, I used the baby hair pomade. You did a little bit of hairspray, let that set. Okay. Sometimes if it's not drying fast enough, you can take a blow dryer and you can dry it.
Okay.
So now, I'm gonna take a piece of hair. It's like a pack of hair. This is actually braiding hair. It's like synthetic braiding hair.
Oh, yes, that you use to when you braid your hair.
Yes.
Okay.
And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a nice little braid going down the back.
Yeah.
So this is very inexpensive to get.
Yep.
You can use this, and I'm gonna add this onto her hair now.
Okay. This is so much fun.
I'm gonna so it's already, you know, it comes really long like this. So you kind of fold it in half, and I put a rubber band there, because that's gonna be my point that I attach it to.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make 3 sections out of it.
Okay. And that's for the braid, right?
Yes, this is for the braid.
Wait, now I have a question. When you bought this hair, does that little rubber band come with it, or do you have to
Yeah,
put that?
they usually, it had another color.
Oh.
And, you know, I don't want it to show, so I put my own color on there,
Okay.
a black one, so it would blend into her hair. So it
Okay.
depends on the color of the hair, it depends on the color of the client's hair.
Okay.
And this is like a shine spray.
Oh, I've never seen anybody do this.
Well, it gives it control.
Okay.
3 sections of hair, right?
Okay.
1, 2, and I took 1 from each side to make 3.
Okay.
For the braid.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this underneath, and I'm gonna take a little bit of her hair too, to match in with this section.
So cool and so easy.
Yeah.
So this is a hairstyle that you can do for any special occasion, like
Any
maybe
special
even
occasion.
a wedding, a birthday party, a holiday party.
A night out. Yes, holiday parties.
Okay.
Or if you just want to look cute while you're cooking.
Okay.
You know, like
I
how
can do that
Tia, you
too.
just want to look cute while you're cooking. Why not?
And now what's going on right now?
Okay, so I'm
What do you-
finishing up the braid.
Okay.
So I added this hair on.
Okay.
I finished up the braid. And then I can use a little small tiny rubber band just to kind of seal off the ends.
Okay.
So now we have the braid in. So the next part is the fun part, okay? So you know, of course I had to give you a little arts and crafts, Tia.
Yeah, I see. What is all
This
this?
is
These are
how the
pearls.
arts and pearls and things.
Wait, pearls from where?
From the pearls from the, like, what do they call the
craft stores?
Craft stores.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Listen. They don't
Okay.
just make this everywhere. This is custom for you,
Okay,
Tia.
thank you.
This is special for you. So I have, you know, so you buy these. They come on a string. I cut them off the
wow.
string.
Okay.
And then this is so simple, so
Okay.
easy. I added the you know, they have like holes in them, and I added them in a hairpin.
Oh.
And you can do this all kind of ways. You can put it up in a cute chignon and just kind of put it in there, which is really great for weddings.
Okay, yes.
Right, but I think I would do something a little more, you know, edgier.
Okay. Edgy.
Edgier for you. So
Okay.
what I want to do is I want to start here at the top,
Okay.
and I'm just going to pin it in there. Yeah, so placement is everything. So I'm just
Okay.
going to place it right down the middle, and it just stays in there because your hair is pulled back, so it has something to hold to.
Because you know, if this is a special occasion, you know there's going to be some dancing and
Right,
swinging
a
and
little eggnog. I always love to add things to it, especially if you want something more festive.
Yeah.
And if you want to take a simple style, and how do you take something simple and just kind of make it special?
Well, yeah, I mean, this is so simple.
It's so simple.
You know, one thing that I love about you guys, whenever I do hair tutorials, I always get so excited when I see you guys recreate the hairstyle. So, you know, if you guys try this hairstyle out, make sure you guys tag Tia Mowry's Quick Fix so I can give you guys a shout out.
Okay, Tia.
So do you want me to stand up?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Because you know it's so long and luxurious, you have to stand so you can see the beauty of it. And there's something else you could do.
Okay.
You can actually just wrap it up into a sheen, like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, or even wrap it across. Boop.
Wow, look at that.
There you go. With a few pins, and you've got another look. Yes.
So cool.
A pearl
Christmas
crown.
party on Friday.
Okay, exactly.
A wedding on Sunday.
There you go. There you go. Boom. Done.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to give a special thanks to you, Kim. You did such an incredible job, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye. I just have to give you a hug.
Aww.